Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you are all well and you had a wonderful Eid. Let me introduce myself. My name is Zoya Wasim, and from now onwards, I will be teaching you maths. So let's start the new chapter. So today we are going to start the new chapter. The chapter name is division. So today we are going to learn about division. You will learn how to divide. So first of all, coming to the definition of division, what is division? Division is when we split or divide a whole number into groups or smaller groups. Division is basically the distribution of things among groups. When we have to distribute the things equally among groups, this is called the division. For example, in this picture, there are 6 apples and we have to divide 6 apples into 3 smaller baskets. And when we have divided the 6 apples into 3 smaller baskets, each basket will get 2 apples. Can you see the apples are divided equally among 3 baskets? So this is how we do division. So division is basically the distribution of things equally among groups. So now we are going to do that how we will do division as grouping. As division is done in 2 ways. The first way is that division as grouping. So in grouping, we will get to know that how many groups will be there by dividing the number. So the example is shown in the picture. Divide 14 into group of 2. It means there is 14 in total number and we have to divide 14 into a group of 2. Means we have to circle in a group of 2. Then we will get to know that how many groups of 14 will be there. So by doing this, we will get to know that how many groups will be there of 14. So I'm doing the circles. Make sure that each group will get 2. So I have circled for you. So now we have to count the groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 group of 2. 14 in total number. And we have to circle 14 in a group of 2 means we have to circle it in a group of 2. And then we will get to know that how many groups are there in 14. So there are 7 groups. So the division sentence will be 14, which is in total number, divided by in a group of 2 and which is equal to 7 groups. This is how we do grouping. We will get to know that how many groups will be there. So here is the division review. Let's revise the concept of grouping. So here are the questions, so we can solve it and it will make you remind the concept. Question number 1 is how many groups of 2? Just think about it. We have to make group of 2 and we have to know about how many groups are there by circling the group of 2. So should we start? How many group of 2 when we circle these? So there are 4 groups of 2. So the answer will be 4. Write 4 with me. How many groups of 3? Now this question you will do it by yourself, as it is clearly shown in the picture that in each group there are 3 frogs. Only you have to do it, you have to count the group. In each group there are 3 frogs. So count it with me, group 1, group 2 and group 3. So how many groups of 3? 3. How many group of 4? In each group there are 4 rabbits. Only you have to do it, you have to count the groups. So how many group of 4? Count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups. So this is how you have to solve these questions. So starting with the chapter, the name of the chapter is Dividing by 2, 5 and 10, and we are doing chapter 4. Make sure that you have your workbook 2A so we can do the work on the work pages. So let's start the work. So coming to page number 91 of workbook 2A, make sure you have your pencils and erasers so we can start the work. Question number 1 is circle. Write a division fact to show each picture. Circle to show group of 2. So we have to circle in a group of 2 and then we will get to know that how many groups will be there. So first of all, we should count the stickers and then we will circle it in a group of 2. So start counting with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are 14 stickers. And when we have to circle in a group of 2, we have to circle it like this. Make sure in each group we have 2 stickers. Circle it with me. So, I have circled the stickers in a group of 2. I hope that you have done as well. So, first of all, filling up the blanks, first of all, in the first box, we have to write the total number. The total number which we have counted before is 14. 14. And 14 is divided. In the middle box, we have to make a division sign, is divided in a group of 2. We have circle in a group of 2 means each group have 2. So 14 divided by 2. So how many groups will be there? Should we count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There are 7 groups. So we have to write 7. And in the last statement there are 7 groups in total. We have divided 14 into a group of 2. Each group has 2 things, 2 stickers, and how many groups will be there in total? 7. So this is how we do grouping. In this question we have to know that how many groups are there in 14? So there are 7 groups of 14 when we circle in a group of 2. So part B. Circle to show group of 5. Again we have to circle in a group of 5 and we have to see that how many groups will be there. First of all, let's count the flags, the total number of flags. Count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So there are 30 flags in total and we have to circle in a group of 5. So I'm circling for you. Make sure in each group we have 5 flags. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are 5 flags. The first group I have circled for you and the further groups you have to circle by yourself as it's difficult for me to circle. It's very easy. Make sure you have to make groups. Only count 5 flags and then circle it. Then you will get to know that how many groups will be there. Coming back to the filling the blanks, we have to fill it up. In the first box, we have to write the total number. What was the total number? How many flags were there? 30. So write 30 with me. And in the middle we have to make a division sign. And 30 is divided in a group of 5. So have you circled in a group of 5? And who will tell me that how many groups will be there? There will be 6 groups. So the answer will be 6 groups. I hope that you have done it correctly. There are 6 groups. So this is how we do grouping. The total number is given and the question is that we have to circle in a group of that given number, and by when we circle in a given number we will get to know that how many groups will be there. To page number 93. Before we have done page number 91, as we are doing the concept of grouping, so we will do the questions of grouping. So come to page number 93 and let's start the work. So it's fill in the blanks and we have to read the statement and we have to answer the questions. So part A. Sam has 6 parrots. Sam has 6 parrots. He wants to put 2 parrots on each stand. Means he wants to circle in a group of 2 and then he wants to know that how many stands he will need. So should we start? Let me take out my pen so I can do it. So what does he wants to do? He wants to put 2 parrots in each stand. So this is how we have to circle in a group of 2. So how many stands he will need? It's clearly shown in the picture when I have circled the parrots that he needs 3 stands. So should we fill it up? The first box is what are the total number of parrots? total number of parrots is 6. And then 6 is divided into a group of 2, means in each group there are 2 parrots, and how many stand he will need for the parrots? 3 stands. 1, 2, 3. So Sam needs 3 stands. I hope this is easy for you. Part B is, there are 15 rabbits. The shopkeeper puts 5 rabbits in each basket. Again, we have to circle 5 rabbits in each group. Then we have to get to know that how many baskets does shopkeeper need. So, should we circle it? Make sure that you have counted it rightly. Make sure that in each group you have 5 rabbits. So what are the total number of rabbits? 15. Right there, 15. And then it's a division sign. And 15 is divided into a group of 5. So how many baskets he will need? He will need 3 baskets. The shopkeeper needs 3 baskets. I have to do it correctly. So 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3 baskets. I hope that you understand. You have to do the grouping. In this, so that's it for now. In the next lecture, we will do the second way of division. As I told you that division is done in 2 ways. Okay. So in this lecture, we have done division as grouping. I hope you understand and you will revise the concept. So secondly, I want to tell you that make sure you are revising your tables, as tables are very important. You should learn them or write it, memorize them, because you have to solve the questions further, or you are solving these questions of division, it will be easy for you to solve them. So make sure that you are revising the tables daily, 2 till 10. And here's the self-assessment. You have to do workbook page number 96. I hope you will enjoy this page, as you have to color this page. You have to do coloring in this page. So see you in the next lecture. Have a good day. Take care.